To record your computer screen in ActivePresenter, hit the Record Video button. Use the first button to record full screen. Use the second button to record a part of the screen. Use the handles to change the recording area. Alternatively, enter the exact values. Use the crosshairs to move the recording area. You can also fit the recording to a specific window. Fit to boundary will fit the recording area to the window. I use Fit to Application. As I don't have any webcam, the button is grayed out. If you want to record audio, check this button. Check your microphone settings. I don't want to record any audio. Choose the audio and video settings. I recommend to use the high quality settings. Direct 3D might be useful when recording games. I stick with the standard settings. Memorize the hotkeys, or change them to your liking. Hit save to close the dialog. Now hit the Rec button. Stop the recording with Ctrl-End. The recording is imported as a slide. Hit the play button to preview the video. ActivePresenter comes with some basic video editing tools. I am going to remove the spelling mistake. First select the range, then delete it. Nice! Let's add an arrow object. Change the color. A quick preview. The last step is exporting the video. Change the file location and file name. higher quality will increase the video file size. I stick with the MP4 file format. That's it. Thanks for watching.